Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest in the world and one of the most incredible places on our planet. Home to an astonishing variety of wildlife, the Amazon is a living testament to the wonders of nature. It's estimated that around 10% of all known species live here, including exotic animals like jaguars, colorful macaws, and slow-moving sloths. The Amazon spans over 5.5 million square kilometers, covering parts of 8 South American countries, with the largest portion in Brazil. This vast green expanse is often called the lungs of the Earth because of its vital role in absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. Beyond its natural beauty, the Amazon is also home to over 400 indigenous tribes, each with unique cultures and languages. These communities have lived in harmony with the forest for thousands of years, drawing on its resources sustainably. Thankfully, there are efforts underway to protect and preserve the Amazon. Conservation projects, reforestation initiatives, and sustainable practices are all part of the solution to ensure this natural wonder remains for future generations. The Amazon rainforest is more than just a forest. It's a symbol of nature's resilience and diversity. By supporting conservation efforts, we can help safeguard this incredible place. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing nature videos.